Okay, guys, today we're doing.
Can somebody get me pink broccoli?
Out for 4. Now listen, empty it out in the hole. 'Cause if you get me out, bro, I'll give you something back.
Let's go.
Anyone will see.
Mm-hmm.
And I'll give you one, bro. I'll give you 1,000. I got rare ones as well, bro. Just please.
I'm gonna go over the place.
If you
and
give
go
me
back for
pink broccoli, I will give you a green crate.
Oh.
Get my stuff back.
Bro, you need to help me, bro.
You don't dare steal my stuff!
No, light blue. Light blue, have my stuff back. Here. Hey, give me pink broccoli.
Where's my?
Nay.
Elevator. Like, actually go to the elevator. It's no scam.
Yeah, it's no scam. Oh.
Wow.
If you want rare stuff, go to the elevator.
Where's elevator?
It's basically office. Office. Go to office elevator.
Bro, stop! Stop, bro, chill! 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 I'll leave you alone! He's not killing me! He's not killing me! Stop! I'll help you out!
Kill him.
You ended up.
Kill him.
Hey, I want rare stuff.
Here, there's a revolver.
I'm too bad. We're out of order. Where?
You want to be in our team for the war? You want to be in our team for the
Oh
war?
my god.
Yeah. I need a bag.
I need a bag with bombs.
Be careful, he comes with an RPG. We need to.